here in beautiful New Brunswick for the Wild Five Jamboree. It's 5 clubs that have come together and put on a jamboree. We've never been to it. It's supposed to be an excellent time. We're excited. I'm here with Brent and Lindsay. We just gassed up, got some food. We're gonna go exploring around New Brunswick for a little bit today, and this evening we're gonna head to a meet and greet. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Should be a good day.
All right, we got DJ leading us here.
And we're off. I always got to take the back roads, the more questionable trails. We're just on Woodhurst Road. We're looking for an abandoned mine shaft. I believe it's up here. Oh, there it is. Oh, cool. Cool. Gotta go see. I gotta go see. I don't know how far down it goes. I don't know how far in I'm gonna go, but I gotta go get a light.
All right, guys, Lesbiana Jones here. We're gonna go on a cave adventure. We're gonna go down in this deep cave.
She comes out, we might go back in.
Gentlemen first.
All right. Yeah, no thanks.
What? You're not going?
Oh, absolutely not.
What? Are you gonna go?
You go first.
Oh,
You got the light.
I'll go.
I'm going DJ.
All right, my keys in my bike if you need to winch.
Yeah. You got service, call me.
Oh yeah, oh wow. Oh, this is so cool. Good.
If you decide to run, give me like 4 seconds notice.
4 seconds notice before I run?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that I get halfway up and then you run over me.
Oh, jeez.
That's scary.
There's what scares me. See that? Falling in.
I'm like, I don't know if I want to go there again.
I don't know how far it goes, people, but I don't think I can venture any further. I'm tough. I'm just not that tough. Okay. Well, that's enough.
That's far enough for me.
Is that enough for you guys? Did you guys see enough? I hope so, because we're not going any further. All right.
If we meet any friends that have a set of balls,
Yeah. We can
might
use
come
somebody.
back. When you're scared, you can get out of things fast.
Oh, too cool. Too cool. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the moon's still peeking out up there.
We're in some of the covered trails now, and it's absolutely beautiful. Leaves are falling, loving it. You can smell the change of seasons. Lots of signage here too in New Brunswick.
I don't know what that is. Old shack of some sort. Beautiful little stopping spot here. Nice little stream. There's the other 2 yahoos. We're just pulling up to the lake shelter, Mayor McCook, number 29 club. This first shelter we're pulling into.
How are ya? How are ya?
Oh, this is very nice. We don't have shelters like this back home.
Is there a run? We are here for the run. Yeah.
Just making our way down to Beaumont Point. This is absolutely beautiful. Wow. So nice. All right, we're at Belmont Point. What a place to camp this would be. Oh, this would be awesome. That was a beautiful little stop there at Beaumont Point. We are back on the trail and we're going to head in and try to find the Beaumont. Oh, that's quite high up here. Woo. The Beaumont shelter. That's where we're heading now. Found a little path off to the side. We're traveling along the Bay of Fundy. I thought, ooh, well, let's go down here and see what this is. This would be an awesome plot to camp too. Oh, wow. So awesome. Beaumont shelter, warming shack. We'll go and check it out. Let's go and have a peek.
Somebody had a fire here long ago, we tell.
Oh God, yes. Yep.
God, the place is still here.
I guess it was too hot.
Wow, that's lucky.
Another shelter, warming hut. Ooh, very nice. just coming up on the Gateton covered bridge that goes over the Miramichi River. It's 22 meters long. It was built in 1930. It's one of probably 60 left in New Brunswick. I love covered bridges. They're so cool. Check out the framework. Love that.
It's a bracing.
Yep. Gotta stop and look at this old schoolhouse. Wonder if the well still works. It works. Awesome. So cool. Beautiful little place. All right, we'll get back on the trail.
How are you liking it, Brent?
Loving it. Loving it. Beautiful day.
Yep. Beautiful day.
Beautiful trails. Beautiful friends.
Thank you.
And we made a big loop. So there to the right, that's the road that we went down earlier to get to the lake shelter. Just making our way back to Sackville. Take a little break before we go to the meet and greet tonight. And I seen this off to the right with a little trail, so I thought I'd come up and have a look. So we came in through down there. Look at that, isn't that cool? Now look at that. Look at that tree hanging over. I gotta go up here. I'm scared of heights, but I gotta go up here.
Don't do it, T. Don't do it.
Okay, we're driving through this section, and this has to be the 6th ghost up in the trees. It's pretty cool. All right, we're coming upon another warming shelter. This one's got the fire going. I can smell it. All right. Oh, this is a George Crossman shelter. Oh, we got some hawks there flying up. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Very nice. Very, very nice. Cool. Yeah, that's on. Neat. Very nice. All right, we're in the middle of nowheres, driving through the trails, and we come across this. That is absolutely gorgeous. They are lucky people. All right, we just had a little nap. It's 7 o'clock now. We're heading to Miramichi warming shelter. They have live music going tonight, and we're gonna go to the meet and greet and go meet some people. We'll see you there shortly. Well, we're almost there now. We're getting close. Hope the party's rocking. All right, we're here. from.
Exactly.
Right? That was friggin' awesome.
Oh my God.
We're just about to leave the lake shelter. We're in Merrimacook. We're gonna head back to Sackville to the motel, have a nice relaxing evening. And we're gonna be here first thing in the morning for their guided ride. See y'all in the morning.